The latest ISM manufacturing PMI came in at 48.7%. That means the US manufacturing sector has now contracted for 6 consecutive months. On the surface, that's bad news for sure. It signals weaker production, slowing demand, and growing concerns about the health of the real economy. A PMI below 50 always points to contraction, and manufacturers are clearly feeling the squeeze. But, my friends, here's the paradox. The markets jumped on this news. And why? Because a weak PMI tells investors that the Federal Reserve is more likely to cut interest rates. Lower rates mean cheaper money, easier credit, and potentially another round of liquidity injections into the system. In other words, Wall Street celebrates weakness because weakness forces the Fed to step in. It's the same cycle we've seen time and again. Bad news for Main Street becomes good news for asset prices. But let's think a bit. Ask yourself, is that really sustainable? Can an economy keep running on stimulus and printed money while its productive base is shrinking? That is the question that all of us should be doing. If you want to understand these dynamics, the real forces that move markets behind the headlines, make sure to subscribe and follow me, because knowing how to read between the lines is the only way to stay ahead. See you next time. Bye bye. Ciao, ciao.